In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson AcuLaser C3000 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for Epson AcuLaser C3000 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an Epson AcuLaser C3000 support page. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to scroll down underneath Product Setup and select the Epson Software Updater. And then select the download button under that. And then once it's on your device, go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher from the Epson Corporation. Select yes. So then you want to accept the terms, select OK. And then you just want to follow along with the on-screen prompts that come up on the screen. You may want to make sure your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi network as well. So make sure your printer settings have been configured on the printer itself. Go under the printer settings on the printer and make sure your Wi-Fi credentials are put in. And then you should be able to see your printer populate on this page. You may need to refresh it right here with this button and it should appear. And then you just proceed with installing the relevant updates and other useful software. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.